Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you and I will discuss you how to fix charging case issue on Samsung Buds 3. So guys, there are basically some problems to fix this one. What you have to do guys, make sure your charging contacts on the airports and case are touching, and this is the first step. Make sure are on contact guys here. The contact on airports and the case are touching as well, and they will ensure and the charging is connected on the charging case, and then make sure this one, the charging guys, is connected on your charging case. And the solution 3, if the contact direct dirty, clean them with dry cloth and try to charging again. Clean them guys, and you make sure clean, and after that charging again. And if these steps don't work guys, you can contact the Samsung service center to authorize the service center for help. Just go to center help Samsung guys, as you can see here, Samsung center help. And after, you can contact and you can reach the support and write your problems here to find the solution. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.